Imagine our planet, 100,000 years from now. It's a world both familiar and utterly alien. The continents, those vast jigsaw pieces of land, are constantly on the move. They drift across the Earth's surface, propelled by forces deep within our planet's core. These forces, known as plate tectonics, are the architects of Earth's ever-changing face. Over millennia, they have sculpted mountains, carved out oceans, and orchestrated the separation of continents. The Atlantic Ocean, a relatively young ocean in geological terms, continues to widen. It grows larger each year, pushing the Americas further away from Europe and Africa. On the other side of the world, the Pacific Ocean shrinks, its floor slowly being pulled beneath the continents that encircle it. This relentless dance of the continents has been going on for billions of years, and in 100,000 years it will have reshaped our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Scientists predict that in the distant future, perhaps 250 million years from now, a new supercontinent will form. They call it Pangaea Proxima. Imagine a single vast landmass encompassing most of Earth's continental crust. It's a world where the sun rises over the remnants of Australia and sets over the merged landscapes of Asia and North America. The formation of Pangaea Proxima would have a profound impact on life on Earth. The collision of continents would create colossal mountain ranges dwarfing the Himalayas. These mountains would alter weather patterns, creating vast deserts in their rain shadows. Coastlines would vanish, and shallow seas would disappear, impacting marine life on a global scale. However, life is incredibly resilient. Throughout Earth's history, it has weathered countless challenges. From asteroid impacts to ice ages, life has always found a way to adapt and evolve. And in the face of these tectonic upheavals, it would be no different. New species would emerge, specifically adapted to the novel environments created by the shifting continents. Extinction events, though often viewed as catastrophic, are a natural part of Earth's history. They clear the stage, making way for new forms of life to flourish. Dinosaurs, once rulers of the planet, were wiped out by an asteroid impact 66 million years ago. Their demise paved the way for the rise of mammals, eventually leading to our own species. It is impossible to say for certain which species will survive the next 100,000 years. Climate change, driven by both natural processes and human activity, is already putting immense pressure on ecosystems worldwide. Some species, able to adapt to changing conditions, may thrive. Others, less fortunate, may disappear entirely. Section 4. The unfamiliar face of Earth. Imagine a world populated by creatures unlike anything we have ever seen. Picture plants that have evolved to survive in scorching deserts, their leaves shimmering silver to reflect the intense sunlight. Envision animals with adaptations we can only dream of, perfectly suited to their new environments. Perhaps in the shadows of the towering mountains of Pangaea Proxima, intelligent life will emerge once more. The Earth, 100,000 years from now, may be warmer or colder than it is today. It might be a world of lush rainforests or vast deserts, depending on how the climate responds to tectonic shifts and other natural forces. But one thing is certain, it will be a world radically different from our own. Section 5. Humanity's uncertain future. What about us, Homo sapiens? Will our species still walk the Earth in this distant future? It's impossible to say for sure. We are a species capable of great ingenuity but also prone to self-destruction. If we can overcome the challenges we face today, from climate change to nuclear proliferation, then perhaps we have a chance. Perhaps we will use our technology to adapt to the changing planet, building resilient cities and finding innovative ways to live in harmony with nature. Or maybe we will venture beyond Earth altogether, establishing colonies on other planets and becoming a truly spacefaring species. Section 6. A universe of possibilities. The future is not set in stone, it is a tapestry woven from countless threads of chance and consequence. The Earth 100,000 years from now will be shaped by forces we can only dimly perceive today. But one thing is certain, life in all its wondrous diversity will find a way. What stories will our planet tell in the eons to come? What new wonders will unfold on the stage of geologic time? Only the future holds the answers. But it is a future worth pondering, a future that sparks the imagination and reminds us of the incredible resilience and beauty of our planet and life itself. What are your thoughts on the future of our planet? Share your ideas and join the conversation.